2.6 World Heritage. In World Heritage, we are going to study some monuments, some aspects of nature, some aspects of culture which are very important for human being or humanity, and therefore they are known as World Heritage. Heritage means what? The aspects or the monuments or natural things which are very important for humanity. Okay, so those aspects are known as heritage. So as you can see here over here, you will find out here the monument from Hampi, then Lotus Temple, after that pyramids of Egypt, then Kas Plateau from Western Ghat. So let's start the lesson. A World Heritage Site is a site determined by the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, that is known as UNESCO, to have significant cultural or natural importance to humanity. So those aspects which are very important culturally as well as naturally for humanity are considered as World Heritage Sites, and which are determined by or decided by UNESCO. As such, the sites are protected and maintained by the International World Heritage Program, and there is a program or there is a committee which actually maintain or protect those World Heritage sites. And for that, UNESCO formed UNESCO's World Heritage Committee, which is actually protect or maintain the World Heritage sites throughout the world. Because World Heritage sites are places that are significant. So why these places are protected? Because these places are very significant. Significant means important. And why they are important and how they are important? Because they are important culturally, because they have cultural value as well as natural value, and they vary in type. Vary means different in type, and include forest. There means those World Heritage sites can be forest, lakes, monuments. Monuments means smarak, buildings and cities also. Okay. World Heritage sites can also be combination of both the cultural and natural sites. So some World Heritage sites are actually combination of culture as well as nature. For example, Mount Hongshan in China, which is a very important site. Why? Because this site is actually significant for its human culture, because it is played role in historical Chinese art and literature. So this particular mountain is very important. Why? Because it is very important for Chinese art and literature. So it is culturally very important. As well as the mountain is also significant because of its physical landscape and landscape characteristics. So physically or geographically, this particular mountain is very important, and therefore this mountain is a best example of cultural as well as natural World Heritage site. History of World Heritage sites. So when World Heritage sites started, or who started this and who decided this, that we should particularly start World Heritage sites list. Okay. Although the idea of protecting cultural and natural heritage sites around the world began in early 20th century. So it started in the early 20th century. But the momentum means the particular thing, a particular events which started in the particular part, or because of the reason it started, that particular reason is known as, or the cause is known as momentum. So the momentum for its actual creation was not until 1950s, but the momentum did not start until 1950s. In 1954, Egypt started plans to build the Aswan High Dam to collect and control water from Nile River. The initial plan for the dam's construction would have flooded the valley containing the Abu Simbel's temple and scores of ancient Egyptian artifacts. So when Egypt started to plan that dam, so it is going to actually control and collect the water of river Nile. But the initial plan for the dams of construction would have flooded. But when it started initially, it is going to flood the valley, the entire valley, which is actually containing the Abu Simbel's temple. There are some temples, okay, as well as scores of ancient Egyptian artifacts, scores of many of artifacts, the objects which are made by human being. Okay, so these aspects and these artifacts and these temples are very important as a cultural part. Okay, and when the dam is going to be built, so it is going to destroy those things, are going to destroy. And because of that reason, to protect the temples and artifact, UNESCO launched an international campaign. UNESCO started that international campaign in 1959 that called for the dismantling the movement of the temples to higher ground. So that movement actually called for the dismantling, disassembling or pulling down. Okay, पाडून टाकणे, म्हणजे ते सगळे मॉन्युमेंट पाडून टाकणे. okay, and movement of the temples to the higher ground. And it started because it is going to be dismantled, okay, and because of that reason UNESCO raised its voice, launched the campaign not to do so. The project cost as estimated 80 million US dollar to 40 million US dollar, of which came to be 50 different countries. Because of the project's success, UNESCO and the International Council of Monument and Sites initiated a draft convention to create an international organization responsible for protecting cultural heritage. So what they did, UNESCO did, UNESCO particularly started assembling or collecting the fund, and that fund was near about 80 million to 40 million dollar US dollar, just to dismantle the temples. Means they are just going to move those temples and move those artifacts from that place to another place. And it nearly it cost them, or estimated अंदाजे त्यांना किती पैसा लागला, near about 80 million US dollar to 40 million US dollar, which they generally collected from 50 different countries. 50 different countries contributed in that project. And finally UNESCO and other international organization worked very hard, and they just succeeded that program. Okay, so that council and monument and monument sites initiated a draft convention. Began a draft convention. त्यांनी एक मसुदा बनवला. ड्राफ्ट मीन मसुदा. कन्व्हेन्शन टू क्रिएट, कन्व्हेन्शन परंपरा त्यांनी सुरू केली आहे. ओके, टू क्रिएट अन इंटरनॅशनल ऑर्गनायझेशन रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर प्रोटेक्टिंग कल्चरल हेरिटेज. मीन्स इथून सुरुवात झाली की एखाद्या कल्चरली इम्पॉर्टंट, सांस्कृतिकदृष्ट्या महत्त्वाच्या असलेल्या एखाद्या वास्तूला वाचवण्याची जी मुवमेंट होती, दॅट स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम दिस पर्टिक्युलर इव्हेंट. ओके, शॉर्टली देअर आफ्टर, लवकरच काय झालं, इन 1965 अ व्हाईट हाऊस कॉन्फरन्स इन द युनायटेड स्टेट्स कॉल्ड फॉर द वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज ट्रस्ट. आणि व्हाईट हाऊसमध्ये अमेरिकेमध्ये एक कॉन्फरन्स झाली, अँड इन दॅट कॉन्फरन्स द वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज ट्रस्ट टू प्रोटेक्ट historic cultural sites but also protect the world significant natural and scenic sites. म्हणजे तिथे एक ठराव पार पडला की एक ठराव प्रस्तुत झाला, जे ऐतिहासिक स्थळं आहे, सांस्कृतिक स्थळं आहे, जे नैसर्गिकदृष्ट्या सुंदर स्थळं आहेत, त्यांचं रक्षण झालं पाहिजे. ओके, जस्ट नॉट टू प्रोटेक्ट देम, बट टू enhance their beauty, enhance their importance. Okay, so for that reason they just started that particular campaign or the trust over there in USA. Finally in 1968 the International Union for Conservation Samvardhan of Nature developed similar goals to presented them at the United Nations Conference on Human Environment in Stockholm. आणि त्यानंतर 1968 मध्ये इंटरनॅशनल युनियनची एक कॉन्फरन्स झाली, ज्यामध्ये कन्झर्वेशन ऑफ नेचर म्हणजे निसर्गाचं जे संवर्धन आहे ते करण्यासाठी एक व्यवस्थित एक ध्येय निश्चित ठेवून युनायटेड नेशनची एक कॉन्फरन्स झाली, ह्युमन एन्व्हायरमेंट, जी स्टॉकहोमला झाली. ओके, स्वीडनला इन 1972. 1972 झालेली ती स्वीडनची स्टॉकहोममधली ती एक परिषद होती, ज्यामध्ये असं ठरलं की अशा पद्धतीच्या नैसर्गिक आणि सांस्कृतिकदृष्ट्या महत्त्वाच्या असणाऱ्या वास्तूंना, जागांना आपण प्रोटेक्ट केलं पाहिजे, वाचवलं पाहिजे. Following the presentation of these goals, the convention concerning the protection of world cultural and natural heritage was adopted by UNESCO's General Conference on November 16, 1972. आणि त्या कॉन्फरन्समध्ये जे काही कन्व्हेन्शनमध्ये जे काही नियम बनवण्यात आले, उद्दिष्ट बनवण्यात आले, ध्येय बनवण्यात आले, ओके, जस्ट टू प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ वर्ल्ड कल्चरल अँड नॅचरल हेरिटेज वॉज अडॉप्टेड बाय युनेस्को, ज्याला युनेस्कोने सुद्धा स्वीकारलं युनेस्कोच्या जनरल कॉन्फरन्समध्ये, जी झाली होती नोव्हेंबर 16, 1972 मध्ये. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट वन इज वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज कमिटी, दॅट वी विल डू इन नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओ. थँक्यू.